Hey guys, this is the GKU D1000. It's a dash cam that you can have access via Wi-Fi, okay? So let's see how to set up Wi-Fi so you can have your cell phone connecting to the camera. It's pretty simple. You just need to turn on Wi-Fi. So just come here to the settings, basically stops recording, and you just need to look for the menu with the Wi-Fi. So just come down and here you see the Wi-Fi band. That's the one. Just take a look here that you can connect to the 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz network, which means your cell phone sometimes works with 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and then you're good to go. You can connect to any of them, right? Just come back, and here you see the option for Wi-Fi, okay? Just hit OK, and make sure that you have the Wi-Fi on, and here's the password. That's the one that comes with the camera. You can change if you want to, but you just need to make sure that you have the password that you want, and then leave the Wi-Fi on. Just come back and you're good to go, okay? Then you're gonna see the icon here that represents the Wi-Fi, right? As long as you have the Wi-Fi here, you can connect with the camera. So basically here on your cell phone, let me just show here that I have the cell phone ready, and then I need to come and set up to connect to the camera, right? So here you have the app that I need to download. It's the GKU Go, and then you just need to connect your cell phone to the camera's Wi-Fi to be able to use the camera here, right? So when I hit connect, it lets you know that you need to come here to your Wi-Fi settings, just like so. You see that I have the different Wi-Fi connections here available. Then I just need to look for the camera's Wi-Fi. There we go, the GKU D1000. So now the cell phone is connected to the camera, and then I can come back to the app, confirm here. I don't know why it comes here. You don't need this. As long as you have the Wi-Fi connection there, you're ready to connect. So just connect here. And there we go. You have now your connection to the camera. You see here the map, and you see all of the cameras, and you can even have access to the settings from here. When you're trying to set up the camera, it stops recording, but basically here you have access to the menu, right? It's pretty easy to set up everything from here. Then you come back, it starts recording again. And when you are driving, you can see the map from here, okay? So pretty easy. That's the way you can set up the Wi-Fi on the GKU D1000. So leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.